The strategy for the organization looking forward is to continue moving the organization from a commodity space to a more value-driven entity. In support of that, we'll continue investing in infrastructure and capability, but also look at selective acquisitions that will impact or bring acquisitive growth to the organization, something that we've not done in the recent past. That combined with our organic growth strategy should see us move up the value chain. Our total business mix has moved in the last few years from infrastructure essentially contributing around 80% historically. And when we talk about infrastructure, we're talking about commodity sales. Moving into managed services now contributing 45% of our total profitability, and infrastructure coming down from 80% to around 42% of contribution to total group earnings. We see this shift being entrenched going forward. We would like to see better mix from the business solutions area, moving that mix up to around 20-25% of our total income streams. I think the industry is seen from reports from Gartner, BMI, IDC, is growing in single digits at this point in time. We've seen higher growth in the hardware business, around 12% BMI predicts, but that's at the back of a weaker rand, so it's really just the rand value or the rand depreciating. General industry growth figures are around the single digits, around 7-8%. I think we'll see consolidation in the industry. Certainly the IT space is becoming fairly competitive. Pricing pressures will result in consolidation, and we've seen that in the last few years with entities going out of business, and we've seen some entities being in distress. Our expansion plan is really going to into Africa, is to follow our clients into Africa. We currently don't have any ambitions to put up bricks and mortar in those countries. It will be driven and led by our customer requirements into Africa. That being said, we're also very cautious in looking at the African market. We do believe that there's potential in that market approached in a sensible manner.